Welcome students. We are discussing our fifth chapter, compounds of nonmetal. Then in the previous classes we are discussed about the compounds. First of all, ammonia, then the laboratory preparation of ammonia, then related with a reaction, that is forward reaction, backward reaction. Simply they are known as reversible reactions and irreversible reactions. Today we are going to discuss a new topic or new section that is known as chemical equilibrium. To explain the chemical equilibrium, we are explaining that with the help of a graph. In that graph, the x-axis contain, or the x-axis of that graph, we are implying the time of the reaction. And the y-axis, that is represent the rate of reaction, speed of reaction. And when a reaction starts, if you take the reactants and we have started a reaction, that means we are mixed that, there is only the presence of reactant should be there. When they reacted, later the products will be produced and later the products will be decomposed. That means we are going to explain the case of a reversible reaction. The equilibrium is possible only in the case of a reversible reaction. So we are considering a reversible reaction. At the starting of the reaction, the reactants are combining. That means the rate is maximum for what? For forward reaction. The reactants are combining and forming the product, that is forward reaction. At the starting of reaction, the rate of forward reaction is maximum. That time the backward reaction is comparatively very slow. There is no backward reaction. When the time is increases, what happens? The rate of forward reaction decreases because the product is formed, the product is decomposed to reactant. That's why the rate of backward reaction increases. So it's a simple thing. If the rate of forward reaction decreasing, that time the rate of backward reaction increases. So that this section C, the point C, that is this section mainly implies the backward reaction. From here to this point, that point C, the point A, it is simply explaining related with what? Forward reaction. So at starting the forward reaction is maximum, there is no backward reaction. When the time is goes, that time the forward reaction is decreases and the backward reaction increases. When reach at a particular point or a particular time, the rate of forward reaction and backward reaction is become equal and will be like represented in a straight line, that will be in same speed. The rate of forward reaction and backward reaction are same. This point, when the rate of forward reaction and backward reaction become equal, that is known as what? Equilibrium. So equilibrium position is only responsible for what? Reversible reaction. At the starting, forward reaction is maximum, that time there is no backward reaction. When the time is goes up, that time the backward reaction is increasing and the forward reaction decreases. At a particular time, the rate of forward reaction and backward reaction will equal, then they will be continued. If you check that, you can understand whether the reaction takes place. Okay, but the reaction is always kinetic. Both reactions taking place in the same speed, that means the forward reaction and backward reaction take place. This is responsible only in the case of what? Closed system. Closed system. Closed system means we are not adding any substance into that. When starting the reaction, we are not added any substances and not removing anything. We are not adding and not removing. From that system is that type of systems are known as what? Closed system. So it is a closed system. In a closed system, the reversible reaction is possible. In a reversible reaction or in an equilibrium, the reaction, both reactions are taking place. That means the reactants and products are exist in the system. The system contains the reactant as well as the product. And then the reaction is kinetic. That will be take place in both directions. But if you are observing, you cannot identify whether the reaction take place or not. Okay, there is no particular change because the reactions are in the both direction. That's why they are known as what? Equilibrium position. At equilibrium position, the rate of forward reaction and backward reaction takes place. Then the reaction is dynamic. That means take place in both direction in the molecular wise. There will be a proceeding reaction will be takes place between the reactants and products. So this is especially implies related with what? Related with the chemical equilibrium. Okay, thank you.